Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share with you guys two important things, that is about SJ6 Legend and about Banggood. So firstly, I want to share with you guys how I ordered this cam from Banggood and how I bought it. I bought it through India Direct Mail. When we put the option, we can see different option for the payment. So I chose the India Direct Mail, and that's how I paid only 500 rupees for the shipping, and they didn't charge any extra amount. So that's how I got my SJ6 Legend through India Direct Mail from Banggood. And now I'm going to share with you guys about the scam which I got from Banggood. It took me nearly 50 days to be delivered, and I got with only one port, that is USB port. HDMI port is missing. So I was wondering whether this cam will be original or not. So I checked in on the official website SJCam, so I got all the answer from them. To check out, they have given here on the left side of the box, they have given here some serial number. This is the serial number. I have already scratched it to check out about my product. So now I'm going to share with you guys how I did it. I'm going to show you guys how I have checked my cam. So you just open Google, and after opening Google, so you just need to type sjcam.com/save, and after we press the enter button, we will see here all the links which they have provided. So we will check out the first one, which is return security check SJCam official website. So through this link only we are going to check out our product. So let me click. So I have already clicked it, and here we can see, here there are 4 boxes we can see. So in this empty box we need to fill the serial number. So I'm going to put the number. So I have entered all the serial numbers, and now I am going to click verify. So I have clicked on verify. So here we can see they have sent me about my product. So here we can see when I have clicked on verify, they have sent me some details about my product. We can see here verification result success. That is my security code. This was the number which I've entered. Thank you. And here it says your SJCam has been verified to be an authentic SJCam product. So this is how we need to check whether our product is original or not. Through even other ways we can check out. So the first thing I have shown you guys to enter the serial number, and even the company, they have given a barcode. If the product is duplicate, then we won't be able to scan the barcode also. So that is the thing, and we can know by the quality of the product. I will show you one video footage which I have taken from this SJ6 Legend at the end of the video. So now friends, I'm going to show you by connecting the cam through my mobile, and I will on my cam. We need to press and hold for 5 seconds, and that's the sound reminding us about the cam, and that's the Wi-Fi we need to open. And I have already scanned and downloaded the app SJCam. So I'm opening my SJCam app, and this is the password which I have set. So in order to connect through phone we need to click on camera and confirm, and we need to open the Wi-Fi, and it is already saved, so I will press here SJ6 Legend, and we can see it is already connected. So now we will press the back button, we'll open the cam, and we'll press on camera. So through this we can find out about the product, whether it is original or not. So we can see here through this phone we can control our cam. So this is the setting, so this is the video resolution. So now I'm going to show you guys by changing it to 2K 30 FPS, and see the camera has already blinked. So now we can see here, as I have changed the resolution from a mobile, it has already changed here, as we can see on the screen, 2K at 30 FPS. So this is the another ways from which we can check our product. So that's all, friends. If you like this video, do like, share, and do comment me if you want to know more about this product. So thank you so much, friends, for watching the video. Thank you. May the good Lord bless every one of you.